My realtor has given me access to Listingbook. I'm learning how best to use this resource. It seems much better than MLS overall. Please give your best tips for using Listingbook, making axe offers on properties.
All right. Well, Jane, there are no axe offers out of Listingbook. Listingbook is solely for all cash properties. Most of them are bank owned. However, there are a few in there that are individually owned, but they're so-called distressed properties. So Listingbook is cash offers only. Forget about axe, and that means that you're going to have to put up a deposit, probably $1,000 on anything you get accepted, but the deposit is after the offer gets accepted. How to use Listingbook? You give it the parameters you want, the price range that you want to stay below, and the area you want. It sends you everything that is newly listed and/or change the price that day, and that's the beauty of it. All the information is right there. With a press a button, you usually get not videos, but pictures of the house and the data and the days on the market. So that's why it's such a great source. You go through them every day, pick the ones you want, make the offers from your desk, get them to your realtor, and then take what hits. It's a good source. Listingbook.com. All of you don't have it, but if you do have it in your area and you intend to make all cash offers, it's a valuable resource.
Yes, and you did do a whole
I did a training
video. You did a training video.
Actually, go back to your
on the site.
membership site, and there's a whole training where I actually went on Listingbook and went all through it with you.
Sure did.